The cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain and handles many of the activities people experience every day. It controls thinking, learning, memory, emotions, movement, and the senses. Different areas of the cerebrum specialize in different tasks, allowing the brain to process enormous amounts of information. It matters because it is responsible for many of the abilities that make humans unique. The frontal lobe sits near the front of the brain and helps with decision-making, planning, and problem-solving. It also controls voluntary movement and influences personality and behavior. This region helps people organize actions and make choices. It matters because it plays a major role in controlling complex thinking. The parietal lobe processes information related to touch, temperature, pain, and body position. It helps combine sensory information from different parts of the body into a clear understanding of surroundings. This area also assists with spatial awareness and coordination. It matters because it helps people interact with the world around them. The temporal lobe is involved in hearing, language understanding, and memory formation. It helps the brain recognize sounds and interpret spoken words. This region also stores and retrieves important memories. It matters because communication and remembering experiences depend heavily on it. The occipital lobe is located at the back of the brain and mainly processes visual information. It receives signals from the eyes and transforms them into recognizable images. Colors, shapes, and movement are interpreted here. It matters because it allows people to make sense of what they see. The cerebellum sits below the cerebrum and helps coordinate movement and balance. It fine-tunes actions so movements appear smooth and controlled. Activities such as walking, writing, and catching objects rely on this area. It matters because it helps the body move efficiently. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls many automatic functions. It regulates breathing, heartbeat, swallowing, and other processes that happen without conscious effort. These activities continue even during sleep. It matters because it keeps the body functioning continuously. Neurons are specialized cells that carry information throughout the nervous system. They communicate using electrical and chemical signals that travel rapidly through networks. Billions of neurons work together inside the brain every moment. It matters because these cells create the communication system that powers thought and action.